Well, hello there. If, like me, you've let your car battery go flat, that week that I was ill in bed, I'd actually left my back door open on my car, just slightly, not so the door could open, but it was just enough to trigger the light to go on, I think. Anyway, my battery went flat over that week that I was off sick, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it using a booster pack. So anyways, let's turn the camera around and show the booster pack. There we go, there's my booster pack, and there's my old battery. So I'm going to uncover the positive terminal. Now, it's very important that when you connect up your booster pack, that you connect up the negative first, because car just gone past. Now I'm going to switch on. Right, that there is the voltage of the battery in my car. Did you see the original one? It said 5.8 volts. Now that's far too low to even unlock the car. So I'm going to have to unlock it in a minute. So I'm going to give this a few minutes to charge the battery. So what it's doing is it's taking voltage from here and putting it into there. So I say voltage, I mean current. So it's taking energy, that's the easier word, isn't it? Energy. It's taking energy from here and putting it directly into this battery. It's not a good idea to charge it that fast. But as we're in an emergency situation where I'll need to go out, I've done it this way. On this battery pack here, if the voltage is too low, the automatic circuit will kick in and it won't charge the battery. What you have to do is press and hold this button here to override the safety circuits inside. Now, I tried this last night and my battery was even lower than 5.8 volts, so I had to use this emergency feature here to override all the safety precautions. On this booster pack here, and it's quite good actually, because it's quite small and compact. Now this is the first time I've actually had to use it in anger. I've had this over 6 years, but this is the first time I've used it in anger. So we'll see how it does. But yeah, this has some built-in circuitry. Obviously, it's got. If I connected it up wrong, it wouldn't charge. If I shorted the battery terminals out, or these crocodile clips out anywhere, it wouldn't start charging. So there's a spark protection, and of course there's the under voltage protection as well. So that's it. So we'll give it a few minutes, and I'll go in and see if I can start my car. Now, I've had this car for it's a good few years now, and it's an absolutely beast of a motor. But say I'm doing less than 100 miles a week, less than 100 miles a month now because of the restrictions imposed on us by the fuel poverty. Yeah, I'm going to do a video on the Oxford scenario that's happening at the moment, where they're going to ban you from travelling outside your zone. Yeah, this is getting like Nazi Germany, isn't it? They start imposing limits on how far you can travel. Anyway, so let's go inside to the car. I'll give it a few more minutes. Let's go inside the car and give it see what happens. Well, the car managed to unlock, so it didn't set the alarm off. Funny that. Right, so I'm going to put the key in the ignition and see if I can start it. So there goes the key into the ignition, and let's have a look, see what we got. Oh, we've got lights. Yeah, my trip meter's gone to 0, and let's see if it'll start. Oh, it started. That's very good. Yeah. I know I'm breaking the law by using a mobile device while sat in my car with the engine running, but I am in park and I have had an emergency, so I think I'll be okay for those few minutes. So anyway, so that's it then. That's the car started. I'm just going to go and disconnect and put my thing away. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to say is when you're disconnecting the colour changed. When you're disconnecting your booster pack from your car battery, so make sure you turn it off first. So that's on, that's off. Make sure you turn it off before disconnecting. The same with your if you're using jump leads on a car, make sure you connect up the black one first to either car, and then connect one positive terminal to the car that's running, and to the car that's not running connect this one up last. And just make sure really that you don't touch any part of the bodywork, or else you'll create a short circuit. Any battery, any battery, whether it's lithium polymer like this one in here, lead acid battery like this in the car, any battery does not like to be short circuited. So that's just a little warning at the end of this. But yeah, this booster pack, I say it's 6 years old now, and this is the first time I've had to use it in anger on my car. I've had to I've used it as a battery pack with my air compressor to pump up my tyres when I've been out and about. But that's it. This is yeah, I should really turn this into a review of the Noco Genius Booster Pro. Yeah, it's well worth the investment to get you out of trouble if you're not a member of the RAC or anything like that. It's definitely worth getting, even if you just buy yourself a little tiny battery, a small 12-volt battery. That'll help you restart your car. Now my car's probably warm enough now to go off and do a bit of shopping. So that's it. I'll probably edit this and put it up tonight. Okay, bye then.